Hi everyone. So I just want to do a quick video to show you how to solve the review prompts from yesterday. Okay, so we had these review prompts. Let's just get through what it is here. So we're going to go to index.js and it says write the lines of code that will 1, change the fill color to red, and 2, draw a rectangle in the top left corner at the coordinates, blah, 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 blah. This should have said that it was filled in, but hopefully you guys can see that from the diagram here. So, all right. So start off, we want to change the fill color to red. We'll say ctx.fill style. Change that to hashtag ff0000. All right, then we want to draw a rectangle. We're going to use fill rect in this case because we're going to want to fill that one in. And we want the top left corner to be at 3020, so we'll put 3020. And we want it to be a width of 100 and a height of 50, so we'll put 100 and a 50. Easy as that. All right, question 1 done. So if you had a Google form question that asked that exact same thing, you would just need to write those two things. All right, I'm just going to label that Q1. If you run this, you should see on your canvas that exact shape that we have in our diagram. All right, question 2. It says write the lines of code that will draw a blue line from the coordinates 150 to the coordinates 7520. All right, now a blue line uses stroke. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to set our stroke style to blue. All right, then to draw a line, we have to say ctx dot begin path as we draw. So I'll say ctx dot begin path. Then ctx.move to put our first point. That'll be 150. ctx.line to trace to our next point, which will be at 7520. Then we could say ctx.close path, though this is actually optional. And, because we only have 2 points to go between, it's not like we're going to end up connecting from multiple points, so this will actually work out fine. And then you can say ctx dot stroke to draw that line. And there you go. You see it goes from 150 to 7525. And again, that's just like in our diagram over here. All right, so that would be all you need for a question like this, should you see it in a Google form tomorrow. All right. And question 3. Draw the outline of a circle in green with a radius of 50, centered at the coordinates 120, 90. All right, so this one should be, again, we want the outline of a circle, or, in geometric terms, the circumference. So let's, again, we're going to need to stroke. So we're going to set stroke style to green. We can say ctx dot begin path because arcs, like lines, use paths for us to draw them. Then I'll say ctx dot arc, and now these are a little bit out of order, but we do want the coordinates of the center first. So it says it's centered at 120, 90. We want the radius next, which it says the radius is 50. And then for it to be at a circle, we have to remember, this is something that you're going to need to have just available in your brain. It starts at 0 radians and it goes to 2 pi radians, which we represent in JavaScript as math.pi, or 2 times math.pi. We can close off this pathway. Again, this would be an optional step, but it's just nice to get everything enclosed. And then a simple ctx.stroke should do it. And there you go. You have your abstract dentist waiting room artwork right there in the canvas. and this is how you do it. All right, so please make sure if you weren't able to do this yesterday, I hope you were, but if you weren't able to do this yesterday, that you can understand what's here. I will send out a Google form to you guys tomorrow that can only be completed tomorrow, so make sure that you get it done on time. And yeah, you'll have incredibly similar questions to what we have here. All right? Okay, guys, have a great day.